Salam everyone, I hope you're doing really well. Welcome back to this channel, and we are continuing on our journey to understand the Quran in a quick and easy and hopefully fun way. I hope you've been finding these lessons really useful. We're continuing Juz Amma now, which is we're now at stage 3. So it is slightly tricky, and I do recommend you do stage 1 and stage 2. You can find the playlists on this channel. And then join us from this video. So keep watching. So that was it for this lesson. I hope you found that useful. Please do like this if you found it helpful and leave a comment. It makes my day and it also really helps the channel. So jazakallah khair and see you in another video.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا. يوم, that day, يقوم is قوم, to stand. الروح is angel Jibreel alayhi salam, والملائكة, and the angels, and صفا is in lines. So that day they will all be stood in lines. لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن. So no one will speak. لا يتكلمون, no one speak, إلا, except من أذن. أذن, is that to do with ears?
Udhun is ears, but in this case it's different.
Okay, okay, fine. No one will speak except من أذن له الرحمن. له is by or for الرحمن.
Yeah, lahu, so to him.
To him, so no one will speak except
Adina
those.
So whoever, so adin here is whoever is granted permission, but you know, I think it might be linked to the adhan and that, because it all means announcement, and yeah, adinat, so announcing, it's like you announce to give permission, right? So I think that's why adinat also means giving permission, and it's been used in different places in the Quran. Yeah, then as giving permission.
Okay, and lahu, is that for who?
Yeah, to him. So permit, so illaman, except who,
Yeah,
to him permits ar-Rahman.
lahu, okay, fine, okay.
To him that ar-Rahman gives permission.
Okay, and then قال الصواب. Sawab is like good. No, that's
correct. It is translating it that that whoever then is given permission to speak what is right, and he will only speak the truth.
Okay.
Oh, sawa, like sevap in Turkish means good deeds.
Yeah, same in Urdu.
Like,
Sawab.
But that's
not
with
good deeds, but they, you know, sorry, like reward.
Yeah.
Deed.
So, but that one, that word is with the tha. This one is sa.
No.
Like thawab ad-dunya. That's
okay.
Thawab ad-dunya. So we've got 2 verses. Have you got time to do them?
I do.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay, cool.
ذلك اليوم الحق. This is the day of truth. فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا. So who شاء اتخذ wait خذوا. So wait, something with who, with the will of God? No, that's Sha Allah. Who will comes forth ila rabbihim ma'aba. So who are willing to come forth or take out or something?
So faman sha'a is like whoever wills. Then اتخذ إلى
Okay,
ربه رهبا.
yeah, whoever wills, خذ خذوا.
Yeah.
Isn't it like take out or come?
To take.
So whoever, no, so whoever takes to, whoever take,
No, whoever wills. فمن شاء
whoever wills,
اتخذ إلى ربه.
take to his Rabb.
Yeah, مآبة. So ma'aba we were doing just before you joined. It means to return. And so it's like
Raji'un.
sorry?
Like Raji'un.
Right, like Raji'un. So ma'aba is like a place of return. And awab. So basically, faman sha'a. So whoever wills, then let them take towards his Lord a return, like a way of return.
Subhanallah.
Then let him take a place. Yeah, then so whoever wills, let him seek a place or a way to his Lord by obeying him. Or whoever wills, let them take a path leading back to their Lord. Nice. Last one, Heba.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت تراب. Okay, إنا indeed we أنذرناكم warned you of an adhab. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I'm just going to open the door. Sorry, I'm still in the class. So indeed we warned you of an adhab, of a punishment. Qarib is nearby. Yawma yanzuru al-mar'u. So on the day, what's yanzuru al-mar'u?
So yanzur, do you know?
Nadhar is when you see. Oh, so on the day you will see
every person. So yawma yanzuru al-mar'u, the day when every person will see
ma qaddamat, what they have done, what their hands have done. قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر, and the disbelievers will say ya laytani. I know ya laytani, I don't know how to translate that. Ya laytani is like, oh no, I wish I had, or like, oh, if only, right? Ya laytani kuntu. Turab is sand. So oh, if I were only made of sand.
Or would that I were dust, or I wish I was dust.
Okay.
So
wait, let me say.
Yeah, go on.
No, I was just gonna. So indeed, we have warned you of a nearby punishment, and that day everyone will see what they have done with their own hands, and the disbelievers will say, "Okay, fine. Oh, would that I were dust." Is that what you said?
I wish I were dust. As in, I wish I wasn't alive at this point. I was just dust. Not again. Cool. With that, we have finished the very first surah already. Now you've done 4 surahs so quickly. Now it's really gonna rack up fast.
Wow, subhanallah.
How many surahs are there in Juz Amma in total? Because in total is 114, and Juz Amma starts with 78. So like 26.
Quick maths.
36? 46?
46.
Yeah. 46.
Wait a minute, 46 ayah?
No,
sorry, 46 surahs?
No, that's such bad math, guys.
Surah Amma, is that long?
70.
Minus 70.
I'm sorry, Juz Amma. Juz Amma, is that long? 46?
No, so there's 46 surahs in Juz Amma, but because they're so small, a lot of them.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
And Nabaa 70. 78 to 36, right?
Yeah.
Subhanallah.
Not 46.
Cool. Good
You have a
job.
lot to do.
Yeah, but this was great. I mean, I'm so glad. Like, I thought it would be so difficult, but this was totally manageable. So that's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't too hard. But I feel like it's going to require a lot more reviewing because there's so many new words in each surah.
Probably, yeah.
Definitely.
But these ones are the ones which we're more likely to review through. And
Yeah,
just hear
that's
around people.
That's true. Okay, thanks. Thank you, Hira.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
So that was it for this lesson. I hope you found that useful. Please do like this if you found it helpful and leave a comment. It makes my day and it also really helps the channel. So jazakallah khair and see you in another video.